Good afternoon. This is Pat Walker. It is Thursday, the end of November. I'm doing a video here for you, and I'd just like to share a few things that I hope will help you. Right now, you're looking at MarketSmith. This is one of the programs that we use at missionwinners.com. It helps me in finding leading groups and leading stocks. And I'd like to share a few things with you right here. We like to have structure and organization. It saves us time and it keeps us focused. I use this information in teaching for IBD's meetup, but also in teaching investors at missionwinners.com how to find leading groups and leading stocks. And I'd just like to share this with you. One of the things I do, and I talk about this all the time in the website, is just glance at the ETFs and look for strength. I'm going to show you something here real quick, down and dirty. This is DDM. It's a daily chart through today's close. It's been strong. Here's UDOW, triple leverage, been strong. SSO in it, strong. QLD was strong and then started to underperform yesterday dramatically on volume. TNA has been strong, but not as strong as, there's TNA, DDM. DDM's leading the charge. You can say, well, Pat, what do you do with that information? Well, I'm going to show you. There's 30 Dow stocks, and I'm going to just show you something that I use right here. This is the Dow screen, all right? And it shows the various stocks. These are various custom screens that I have. But right here are my list. Dow 30. So I have a list. We know the Dow is strong by looking at the ETFs. How long does it take to do that? Oh, 30 seconds. Time's of the essence. After we found out that the Dow is strong, then we go to the Dow 30. Here they are. How do I have these ranked? I do not have it sorted by industry group rank. I have it sorted by percent off high. Every night I'll run this and I'll go through and look. And I'd like to show you something here. I'm just going to go look at like 5 of them, but I'd like to show you something here very important. This is Boeing. And you can see it's been acting strong for a while. I'm going to move this over like so. So this is Boeing. Just been going sideways. Looks nice. Been showing strength. Had a relatively flat base in here for several days. If I take this chart back a couple of days, just a nice flat shelf. Look at that. And look at the volume pickup. Just a nice flat shelf. And you can say, gosh, if it takes out those highs, maybe that would be good on Boeing. Around 267 to 268. That's Boeing. I'm going to keep going here just to show you what I do at Mission Winners. There's Boeing. We take 3M. 3M. Nice little base right in here, taken out at around 235 a share. Volume comes in. It's just a simple pattern. Now you can say that's after the fact. Let's go back a couple of days and look at this. Here, down on low volume. Oh, starts to pick up on a pickup in volume. You can say, gosh, if it takes out these tops going across here, maybe that would be good. And 3M, a Dow stock, comes up right near it on slight pickup in volume. By Jove. Paydays, lifting up. Paydays, lifting up. That's what we look for. So again, how do we organize this? We look at the 4 or 5 ETFs to give us an idea where to focus. Then we narrow it down to look at that list. And it just helps us. It keeps us in the game. United Healthcare, going sideways and it lifts off. Home Depot, going sideways and it lifts off. These are Dow stocks. By looking at DDM, you could see the strength and you know where to go. Caterpillar, Dow stock, lifting across these tops. Big pickup in volume. So here's the moral of the story. I go through and I look at the ETFs and then I go in and I look at those leading indices. In this case, we're talking about the Dow. And I'd like to show you something. Every night for the VIP members, I put together a key list. I just showed you my routine. I don't have any deep trade secrets here. My goal is this, is to educate you, to speed up your learning curve, to help you make money. I taught on the university level. I love helping people. It's just a thing with me. It's something I like to do. So here we go. We just saw a couple of examples here. This is the key list that we send to VIP members, and this is for Monday, November 27th. Look what's on the list. There's Boeing, there's Caterpillar on the list with buy prices given. We traded some of these others also and made money on Google, about 9 points, and then we flipped out of it, and the same with Netflix. But Boeing, Caterpillar on the key list. Dow stock, lifted through tops. There's the pattern, lifted through tops. That was for Monday, November 27th. I'm going to drop this out, and I'm going to take it a step further. This is for Wednesday, November 29th, a couple days ago. There's Boeing on that list again. There's Caterpillar on that list again. There's Goldman Sachs on the list. Goldman Sachs, 240.10, entry spot. Look what I wrote on here in the notes. Financials really strong today. Max list stock. Goldman Sachs is a max list stock. Big volume, 240.10. It was on the list. And guess what? I'll exit out of that. We're going to go back and look. $240.10, downward sloping trend line. The high this day was $240. You see where it says that on the screen? $240 a share high. It's the second line from the top. $240 a share. What was my buy spot? I said it. $240.10. What does it do here? It gaps up, runs up, hangs around there. You could have gotten into this stock. Look at the volume pickup yesterday. So you buy it for $240.50, we'll say. Lifting off the 50-day. Again, it was on the key list. The people knew about it. And what does it do? It follows through today. So you buy it for $240.40, and today it hit $250. So you're up 10 points since yesterday. It's a start. That's what we do. I love organization. I love structure. It helps improve our learning curve, speed up our learning curve. It helps us improve our game plan, and it helps us make money. That's what I'm doing at missionwinners.com. I want to show this to you just to give you an idea of how the game's played. And I thank you. We key on strength. We key on leading groups, leading indices, leading stocks. Clean and simple patterns. A clean and simple entry gives you a clean and simple exit to limit losses. We ride some up and we sell into strength. And I told people to do that today in Mission Winners in the VIP site. Sell some into strength. And I thank you.